How to use Google Assistant without unlocking the phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Assistant without unlocking the phone. Start by opening Google Chrome on your mobile device. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Then tap on Google Assistant and go to Hey Google and Voice Match. Here, turn on the toggle for while driving to enable hands-free assistance while on the road. After that, turn on the toggle for Hey Google to activate voice commands. Once done, go back and lock your phone. Now, you can simply say Hey Google and ask anything without needing to unlock your phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.